So hello and good evening, this is Rose Pozuelo from Curbal.com, and I am doing a video today on a Tuesday. I don't normally do it because we published a video yesterday about how to use PDF as a data source for Power BI. And we got a question, a very good question that I think other people will have. So I think that it's easier to create a video on it. Imke answered this user, he has the username John Doe, on how to do that. But I think if you're a beginner, it might get a little bit difficult. So I'm going to do a very short video for you to, start using this functionality right away. So the idea is to import not just a PDF file, but a bunch of PDF files into Power BI using her code. Okay, so let's do that. Let's jump ahead. Okay, so here we are in Power BI. If you don't know how this function works, just go to the description box and see the video that I published yesterday, because it will show how this works. And I see that Imke has actually added 2 new lines, so you will see what those are in a second on this script. So we have the function already in Power BI, in Power Query in this case, and we have a table. This is I created manually, of links to PDF files. I just use the same. I don't think it matters, but you can have any link that you want here, pointing to different PDF files. So the question was, how do I use this function for multiple PDF files? So what you do is you create that table with the links to the files, and then you just go here, invoke custom function. We have just one function now, so import PDF. And then you will see here the input parameters that we had on the function, on the original function. So the first one is the source, which is the source files is this PDF URL, which is already selected. The other one is if we want to have by page or by line, we want to have by line. And this one you will see what it is. It's quite cool. So we click OK. And then it will create a table for each PDF, you see? 1 and 2. So if you want, you can have like an index here, so you can see which one is which one. So what we do is we just expand that. And here we get the contents in one line. And here, this is what's new, I haven't seen it before, you get the page index and the row index. So this is super cool. You can actually go and search page 2. And then you can see all the lines that were there. Awesome, Imke, you're amazing. So yes, I just wanted to show you very quickly how to do it, because I can imagine that is a very common thing to do, instead of just not just importing one, but multiple. So it's all for today. Okay, so short video again, but hopefully helpful. And if you enjoyed the video, as always, just let me know by liking it or by sharing it with somebody that would like to know also. If you're new to the channel, I publish Power BI videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any. And to make sure you don't, just click the bell to receive notifications, okay? And one more thing, the link to the file, to the demo file, is in the description box. I forgot to say that. But that's all for today. Have a great evening. Bye.